Yeah, this is the studio. I think you get the idea. This used to be a bedroom, as you can see, like, you know, the bed used to be like here. Now it's there, on the ground. Sick! This crazy idea came to mind because I've been constantly working from one place to another, so my home has not really become my home, it's become my studio. Being on the routine of a filmmaker and editor, we know that we don't have any home time whatsoever between travel, between editing, and between delivering, between meeting with clients. It's a big hassle. So the idea was to convert this space into a studio, I think. Like, what do you think? I need a bed, yeah, but the couch will do, I think. So as you can see, the bed is still on the floor. That's obviously not the case, like I don't want this. The idea is to have one workspace here, so we're keeping this desk. This is really cool wood. It's really tough, it's really heavy duty, so I have my Mac on this, like my 27 Mac is fine. I got this amazing thing from IKEA as well, and with that I can have my setup, my work desk as I like it, all set up like this. The light is a bit of a hassle, but thanks to the Italian blinds I can lower this thing like completely. Yeah, I got a coloring room, yay! Thing is actually to get rid of all this stuff. They don't actually do anything for me, so they'll be going definitely out the way. This is my work stuff that needs to be going inside a storage. So by replacing those two, I'll have a bigger cabinet, so I can have all my stuff inside. I can have all my cameras set up, I can have all my drawers, and start to organize things the actual way to do it. As you can see, I have my cameras out. It's not the way to do it, so never mind. On this side, there's not much at the moment. The idea is pretty much to have a new couch in here. Projector actually pointing towards this way, so I'm going to be setting it up probably around there. I'll be having all the things projected on the wall as well, so if I ever need to have a movie night, I can just turn the couch around, just flip it around and have the whole thing right in front of me. A cozy space where you can chill with your mates and we can just have a chill pad. With the whole idea of the bed out of the way now, everyone's concerned about it, but the main thing about this thing is that it's going to be pushing you to be more productive, because in the end that's what I think actually matters, to have a really nice space. White colors, black colors, something that actually inspires you really to have, gets you going. I know that having a clean room, having a really nice setup is actually on point. I mean, it's really crucial to have that. I'll be happy to show you the work through that we are going to do through this studio. Let's keep in touch, I think I said the other time, so let's stay in touch. Recap of this whole thing is going to be finishing off this desk space at the moment, getting all the lights in with Amaran as well, so having some nice tube lights. We are going to take everything out of the way, paint everything black or white. By the way, that's my closet, whatever. Having a really nice space like this is really going to make a difference in what we do. Desk space on this side, storage space on that side, maybe a cabinet from IKEA, a sofa. Getting rid of this, so if anyone wants a bed, just let me know. And yeah, just getting all this shit out of the way as well. So the cool thing about this is going to be that I think it's going to get more productive in the past couple of days. Pretty soon we're going to go to IKEA and we are going to make a few changes to what we have. In the next couple of videos, maybe you get to see something like that if you like. I wouldn't mind taking you guys with me as I do my daily shit. So if you're keen on it, let me know in the comments, and if you haven't yet, subscribe, because no.